Alright guys, so I'm here in Valley Stream in Long Island in New York, and I'm here at Flavor and Spice restaurant and roti shop, and we're gonna get into some great food over here. Just showing you outside as I'm walking in. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I am today at Flavor and Spice roti shop here in Valley Stream, Long Island, New York. I hope you guys come and check them out. They're your one-stop shop if you want some real good Guyanese Chinese food. They have pastries fresh on premises. They have little sweet treats. They have lots of drinks and lots more to choose from. If you guys check out their menu, it's long. There's lots of delicious things on there. And I'm gonna dig into some of the food that they have here as well. So make sure you come check them out. I'll leave their Instagram, their phone number, all their contact information right below in the description box below this video. And you'll see it on my social media too. Just make sure you follow me and you'll see everything right here.
This is boneless chicken curry. We do like a lot of roti wraps. It's dark meat as well, so it's really like tender and juicy. And we also make our own masala, so we have a very special mixture when it comes to our curry.
Very nice.
Yes. We make all our green seasoning from scratch, everything from scratch.
Very nice.
Yes.
And this one in the back is?
Yeah, that one is chicken curry with the bone.
The bone, okay.
Yes.
Which one did you guys sell out more, the boneless or the bone-in?
They both sell out pretty quickly.
Nice.
A lot of people now don't want to eat bone all of a sudden, so they really enjoy the boneless.
Very true.
Yeah, and a lot of kids like the boneless as well.
Yeah, it's easier to eat.
Yeah.
And this one is?
This one is goat curry.
Okay.
We have halal meat. So the meat is just really good quality, really thick chunks, not a lot of fat. We always keep a little bit because it just tastes really good, but overall it's not a lot of fat. It's really nice chunks, and we do a special curry mixture for that as well.
Nice. And this rice up here is?
This is what a lot of people will call khichdi. It is like our spinach rice. We add a lot of flavor to our food, so you'll have a little bit of garlic in there and a lot of fresh ingredients as well.
Nice. Moving over here.
And this is our smoked herring.
Okay. So a big breakfast item.
Big breakfast item, really good over boil and fry in the morning. And we do have people that order bake and smoked herring throughout the day.
Yeah, nice.
So, yeah.
So you guys do have fresh bake on requests and stuff like that?
Yeah, so even like sada roti and things like that, you could always call and place your order because we only make that on request.
Okay.
Bakes we sell out, but we do consistently make if needed.
Okay.
Just to keep the quality really fresh.
Nice. And I see some dal here.
Yes. This is our dal.
And this is an all-day thing, breakfast all the way through dinner.
All the way through dinner. A lot of people come in just to drink our dal specifically, so we keep it for them all day through.
And this is saltfish?
Yeah, this is a saltfish. We're actually getting a fresh pack out. So as I said, like you might see things that are like this just a little bit. It's just to keep the quality of the freshness. So we are gonna cook a new set right when it's done.
Yeah, so you guys make sure to check them out because they're cooking as I speak. Lots of fresh food coming out to refill all of these trays.
And this is our stewed chicken as well. We do like a brown stewed chicken. It's so good.
Okay.
It's like a rich sauce, so you can see it's not really very watery. It's very like really good sauce.
Nice. So that's baked mac and cheese.
Yeah, so this is a very big popular. We cater a lot of mac and cheese as well. You can see that there's like a lot of cheese pull in there.
Nice.
Yeah, it's just really, really good. I can show you another piece too here. It's just really packed with cheese in there.
Nice. And do you guys do like baked chicken, jerk chicken, all that kind of stuff too?
We do, and that's made fresh to order. That's gonna be our entire Chinese section.
Nice.
So when you see in the front will just be your curries, your vegetables, just for like your roti and your rice and things like that. And then we have like another menu that has over 100 items that we make fresh, made to order.
Very nice.
And then we have our rice here. This is our peas and rice, which everything is seasoned really well, and we use like a lot of garlic and a lot of like good seasoning in our food. So there's a lot of people that would just buy the rice by itself with just some crazy gravy. Yeah. So we take a lot of pride in our food, and we're really, really happy that everyone just has good responses for it as well.
That's great.
And this is our baigan choka. So our baigan choka is roasted and then seasoned, and we have a little bit of tomatoes in here, garlic, onions. Well, no onions, garlic.
Okay.
And this is a recipe from my mom, from my grandma. So in our family, we make a lot of like good vegetables. Like we specialize in like making really, really good vegetables.
Nice.
So we have customers that don't even eat Karila that come in and they're like, I don't know what's in your Karila, but it's so good.
Nice.
Yes.
And that's fried belanje in the front?
Yes, and this is fried belanje with potato.
Okay.
You gotta have the potato in there.
And some bhaji we have here in the middle.
Yes. So our bhaji is mixed with bok choy as well. So it really sells out really fast because everybody just likes that addition.
Yeah, and the
to the
texture
spinach.
of it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes.
And moving over here.
We have chana curry for our doubles. We make a really nice doubles. And then we have some bora and potato, as well as your Karila here, and then as well as your okra as well. And then you can see some bara just came out, so we make them fresh hot bara. So we make a portion for the morning, we make a portion for the lunch, and we make a portion for the dinner as well. So you'll always have crispy golden bara.
Nice. And up there I see some pulaury as well.
Oh yes. And we make mango and tamarind sour.
Very nice. And I'm sure you guys have like the pepper sauce, all the fixins, that kind of stuff too.
Oh yeah, we make a really special pepper sauce, like a very traditional pepper sauce for the Guyanese Chinese food.
Nice. And some fresh buns just rolled their way out as well.
Yes, these are hot and fresh out the oven.
And then of course they have a couple pastries like your pine tarts. And what kind of patties are these that you guys have as well?
This is a chicken patty, and this is a beef patty, as well as cheese roll as well. Nice. And for our patties, we cater a lot of patties. So I have a special menu for our pastries in regards to catering. We also do cocktail pastries, so we make them mini as well.
Very nice. So perfect for like parties and gatherings and the holidays, everything.
Yes. And we also could make like spinach patties, veggie patties, a lot of different patties as well.
And do you guys do like catering if somebody wanted to cater for like weddings or religious services as well?
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
So everything. Everything,
yeah. We work really closely with our clients because we just want to achieve that happiness and that joy. That's why we do this, to just spread that love and that happiness. So
definitely.
Yeah.
So guys, as you can see, lots of fresh, good, delicious food, and I'm gonna have to go ahead and try some now and let you guys know how it tastes.
It's gonna be our boneless chicken roti wrap. This roti we make fresh on premises every day. You could always call and order, so we make them fresh. And you can see this is a very like fluffy roti, really good quality, really flaky, really nice.
So they can do regular roti or they could do dal puri if they request it.
Yes.
Nice. What's like the craziest roti you've had somebody order? Like with stuff stuffed inside?
Jerk chicken.
Oh, nice.
We had a jerk chicken roti wrap. I put jerk chicken, oxtail gravy, macaroni pie, and plantain.
Oh, wow.
So this is our chana. We put a little bit of chana in there. And then we put some potato curry in there. Would you like some pumpkin in this?
Sure.
I love pumpkin, so like I said earlier, we specialize in a lot of vegetable. So you'll be able to taste some of this pumpkin and let me know what you think. And we could top it off with some pepper sauce.
So this roti she's stuffed with boneless chicken curry, lots of gravy, some potato curry, some chana curry, as well as some pumpkin, and lots of nice pepper sauce. So she's gonna wrap it up now. We're gonna give it a try for you guys.
It's too stuffed now. And I'll put it in a dish for you.
Okay, cool. And they made me one of their rotis as well. So this one's got chicken, boneless chicken. It's got some potato, chana, pumpkin, pepper sauce. And look at that pepper sauce leaking out the top. All right, guys, so we're gonna get into this roti now. We're gonna take a bite. Very, very delicious. The chicken's nice and juicy inside. Got all those veggies, the pumpkin's nice and sweet. I love the pepper sauce that they have here. And the roti's super, super soft. Make sure you give this a try when you guys
There's
come.
really nice thick pieces of duck in there.
So this is the duck, the roti, and you're gonna add stuff to it, or just plain duck?
Yeah, I'm gonna add some chana curry and some potato curry to this. And you can see the thickness of the curry. That's a real like bunjay like duck curry.
Yeah, looks really good. So we have chachi fried chicken. It's a spicy fried chicken. We have some wontons, chicken wontons. They make different kinds. We have a house special fried rice. It has pork, it has shrimp, crab, chicken, and a nice juicy chicken on top. We have some pastries, some pine tart, cheese roll, and chicken patties. And we also have fresh buns. Alright guys, so as you all can see, I have all of this delicious food sitting in front of me. I want to thank the staff over here at Flavor and Spice for preparing all of these delicious things for me to try today. Make sure you guys come and support them, check them out. They are a newer roti shop. They've been open for a little bit now, but everything is super hot, super fresh. It smells so good, and I cannot wait to dig in. So the first thing that was calling my name since we were back there was the bara. So I see they've got some nice sauce here, and this bara is nice and fresh. I'm gonna break into it. It's super fluffy, and just look at how fluffy and delicious that looks. It's crispy on the outside, so we're gonna go for it here. Good stuff. It's crispy on the outside, super fluffy and delicious on the inside. It has a great flavor, and it doesn't just taste like fried flour. It has lots of good taste to it. So the next thing that they were telling me about, of course, was their doubles. So they wrapped one up for me right here, and I saw them put what you guys put in here? Pepper sauce, tamarind sauce,
and a cucumber chutney.
And look at that. Beautiful, beautiful doubles. The bar is nice and soft. I feel it already. And look at that. You see all the beautiful sauces. It's steaming. How hot it is. So we're just going to go for it here. We're going to scoop up a little bit of that chana. We're going to get a big bite here. Wow. That chana curry has such a nice taste. The pepper is nice and hot, but not too spicy. The cucumber adds a nice little freshness. And a big thing for me when you're eating a doubles, the bara has to be super soft. And it is fluffy, delicious, great flavor. Definitely something you guys want to try over here. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to try is their chicken wontons. They said they cater a lot of wontons for parties, for events. They're super crispy on the outside, and I'm going to break into one really quick. And these are chicken wontons. Look how beautiful that looks like inside. Lots of fresh chicken, some veggies, some seasoning in there. You go ahead and give it a dip in the sauce, give it a try. The chicken wonton.
And we hand make those as well.
Fresh to order?
Fresh to order. We literally hand make them. We make the stuffing right when you guys order it and everything.
And I'm gonna try their white sauce here. This is their version of a white sauce. They said it has some like tomato, ranch, lots of seasonings, a little pepper sauce in here. So we're gonna try that out. Really good with the chicken inside. Really good flavor. And the next thing I'm going to try here is their chachi fried chicken. What this basically is, there's bone in this chicken, right?
Yes.
And it's just fried. It's a little spicy. And so we'll grab a piece. I'm just going to rip into it for you guys so you guys can check that out. And this is a juicy piece of chicken. I already feel it. Look at that. Is this one of your biggest sellers?
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna rip off a piece of that juicy chicken. I'm gonna dip it back in that white sauce. Wow. So it has a really good spice, really good flavor, crunchy on the outside, and a big thing for me, the chicken is super juicy inside. I'm not even playing games. Very juicy, super fresh. and delicious. So last thing we're trying here, we have a house special fried rice. We have chicken on the top, and this is that Chinese style fried chicken that's sliced up with the beautiful brown sauce. You got your fried rice here. I can see the shrimp and the crab poking out. They've got some chicken in there. There's pork in there as well. And I believe if you wanted to as well, you can add beef to this, right?
Yes.
So like I said, they have options for everybody, whether you eat certain types of meat or not. I'm sure you guys also have veggie fried rice and stuff.
Yeah, fully customizable.
Very nice. And this is a hefty plate. You guys, if you want a nice lunch, a nice dinner, come in here and get a nice plate of food. All right, so I'm gonna dig into the rice. I see everything. There's some bora in there, all that fresh veggies. Very delicious, flavorful fried rice. I got a piece of shrimp just now. And look at that. You're getting these whole shrimp in your fried rice as well. Super delicious. So, I'm gonna go in for a bite of this chicken as well. This little crispy piece on the end, calling out my name. Super crunchy, delicious, juicy pieces of chicken with this brown sauce. Really, really good Guyanese Chinese food over here. Lamb black pudding.
Lamb black pudding. A lot of people use beef and pork and stuff like that, but we specialize just in lamb, so we cater to both customers who don't eat beef and pork.
Very nice. So definitely, if you guys come down here, you can get something that you're gonna like, depending on what kind of meats you might like. If you're vegetarian, they have lots of great options, and you can find anything. Guyanese Chinese food, rotis, doubles. You guys sell aloo pie?
Yep.
Nice. So like I said, everyone, make sure to come over here and check out Flavor and Spice. They've got lots of delicious things. I tried their Guyanese Chinese. Of course, I tried their roti, their curry, some of their appetizer things. Lots of delicious food, great and friendly people, good customer service. Definitely give them a try. Like I said, they're located here in Valley Stream in Long Island, New York. I really hope you enjoyed this video today. Please go ahead and give this video a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Drop those comments down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see next on my channel. Make sure you check out Flavor and Spice. See you guys soon. Bye, everyone.